Hello everyone. In chapter matrices, we are going to discuss question number 6 of miscellaneous exercise. Our question is find the value of x, y, z if the matrix A 3 by 3 which is having the following elements satisfies the equation A transpose into A is equal to I, where I is your identity matrix. Just see how can we work out. You know the transpose of any matrix is the matrix obtained by interchanging the row and column. So we are going to start from where what the condition is given, that is A transpose A is equal to I. So you can write the A transpose. You can see here what will be the transpose. If I see the very first row is 0, 2y, z. So it will become column 0, 2y and z. Okay. Your second row x, y minus z will become your second column x, y minus z. Okay. Third row will become your third column, that is x minus y and z. So this is your A transpose. Now can write A as it is, that is 0, 2y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z, and this is equal to identity matrix of order 3 by 3. So 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Okay. So once you have written in this equation, now let us multiply. You know that your first row will be multiplied with the first column. So let us see what we get. 0 into 0, that is 0. Again x into x, x square. Again x into x, so we will get 0 plus x square plus x square. This is our first term. Then first row and second column. So 0 into 2y is 0. You can see here 0 into 2y 0, x into y, so you will be getting here 0 plus xy minus xy. Okay, and here also you can see 0 into z, that is 0 minus xz and plus xz. Okay, so let us write it in this way. Come to the second term. Here second row, first column, 2y into 0, that is 0, y square, this is y square, it's 2y into 0, y x, it will be y x, then minus xy, minus xy, then 2y into 2y, that is 4y square, plus y square. Just see, minus y into minus y will be again plus y square. Next 2y into z, that is 2yz, minus yz and again minus yz. Okay. Then third row, first column, z into 0, that is 0, minus xz, minus xz plus zx. Okay. Then third row into second column, 2yz, this is 2yz, minus zy, minus zy and again minus zy. Then z into z, that is z square plus z square and again plus z square, and this is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now just see, when we simplify these terms, we get what we get. Let's see here. This is 2x square. This is 2x square. Now these two terms will be cancelled. So here it is 0. Again these terms will be cancelled. Here it is 0. Now this term cancelled. It is again 0. It is 6y square. Here it will be 2yz, again minus 2yz, so all the terms will be cancelled. We are here with 0, again here 0, these terms will be cancelled. The same is here. It will be 0, and this will be your 3z square, and this is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0, and this is 0 0 1. Okay. Now you can see that these two matrices in between we are having equal sign, so their corresponding elements should be equal. You can see that only the elements are at the diagonal position, so just equate them. You get 2x square is equal to 1, implies x is equal to plus or minus 1 upon under root 2, because you get x square is equal to half and x is equal to plus or minus under root 2. Similarly, 6y square is equal to 1 implies y is equal to plus or minus 1 upon under root 6. Now 3z square is equal to 1 implies z is equal to plus or minus 1 upon under root 3. Okay. So this is how we have worked out for the values of x, y and z. Now this, your identity matrix gives you a hint that which position the terms will be there and at which position the terms will be 0. You can see that if when we compare these two, where there are numbers we are having these values, otherwise all the respective terms corresponding elements they are 0. Thank you.